Feeling stressed? No worries. Here are 6 easy tips from psychologists to help you manage stress and feel better. Deep breathing. Start with a deep breath. Inhale slowly, hold it for a moment, and exhale. Repeat this a few times to activate your body's relaxation response. Mindfulness meditation. Take a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness. Focus on the present moment, observe your thoughts without judgment, and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Relax your muscles. Squeeze each muscle group, like your fists or shoulders, for a few seconds, then let go. It's like giving your body a mini vacation from stress. Repeat as needed. Time management. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Prioritize and tackle one thing at a time. This can make overwhelming situations more manageable. Healthy lifestyle. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet. A healthy body contributes to a resilient mind when dealing with stress. Seek support. Don't hesitate to talk to someone you trust about your stressors. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a professional, sharing your feelings can be a powerful stress reliever. These tips may seem simple, but they're backed by psychological insights. Incorporating them into your routine can make a significant difference in how you manage stress. Give them a try and take the first step towards a calmer, more centered you. If you found these tips helpful, press the like button, share the video, and consider hitting that subscribe button for more useful insights. Thank you for watching.